I'm here to discuss brief information regarding maca, which is one of our newest products in Royal. No? So before I talk about yung effects ng maca, no? Maca po it's a Peruvian root. No? Galing po ito sa Lima, Peru. People from Peru are taking this ever since. No? Ginagawa ho nilang powder itong maca roots. No? So it's a native of that country. And because it has so many benefits, now we are lucky enough na meron na rin tayong matitake dito from Royal na produkto. How does maca affect energy levels and stamina? So it can affect energy levels by what means? Kasi ang maca can increase our natural testosterone level. So yung testosterone, ito yung hormones ng mga kalalakihan. No? So pag high school tayo, mas nagkakaroon tayong puberty, tumatangkad tayo, at nagkakaroon ng development, mataas ang testosterone. So, yung mga tumatakbo, mahilig sa sports, napakalalakas po nila. But as we get older, which is like 30 years old and above, especially 35, 40, 50, especially mga nagsisenior citizen, bumababaho ng natural yung testosterone level natin. And unfortunately, for us men, no? Sa mga kalalaki, kasi parang hindi masyadong napapansin yun eh. But parang medyo nangihina na si daddy, si lolo, si tito, si kuya, no? O bakit parang sumusungit na? One of the reasons po nun, kasi bumababa ang testosterone. So pag bumababa ang testosterone, parang mas madaling mapagod, no? Hindi masyadong happy tingnan, but parang nagme-menopause si daddy, no? Ang tawag sa lalaki kasi yung andropause eh. So, maca can increase our natural testosterone level. So, malaki ho ang effect at maganda ang benefits nito. Kasi, katulad dito, testosterone definitely can influence our sexual desire or libido, no? So, bakit parang lately wala na akong gana sa pakikipagtalik, no? Sa partner ko, no? So, kasama na dyan yung mababang testosterone level. So, pag tumataas ito at pinano-normalize ng maca, mas maganda ang effect. No? Mas malakas ang pakiramdam natin. Mas mataas ang endurance. And then, yung muscle building natin ay tuloy-tuloy pa rin kahit magkakaedad tayo. So, bear in mind, there's a term called sarcopenia. No? Sarcopenia means bababa ang ating muscle levels or ang muscle content as we do get older. Ninipis ang muscle. Ako po kasi medyo nag-enjoy ho ako sa bodybuilding. And then, siyempre, ang ayaw ko naman po, pag tumanda pa ako ng tuloy-tuloy, magiging payat, kasi lahi ko payat at wala ng muscle. Ayaw ko po no. So, maca can greatly help that. Paano naman sa kababaihan? This can help them naman, especially if they're into pre-menopause, menopause, or post-menopause. Ibig sabihin noon, malapit nang tumigil ang pag-menstruation, tumigil na, at ano nangyari after tumigil. So, yun naman sa kababaihan, bumababa ang estrogen level. So, ang maca rin can also help regulate hormonal production. Although, hindi naman estrogen ang laman ng maca, pero in a overall hormonal milieu, or yung environment ng hormones ng kababaihan, napapanormalize, napapaganda. No? Pero bear in mind, ang iingatan lang po natin sa mga thyroid patients na umiinom ng supplement para tumaas o yung hypo o hyperthyroid patients, iingatan natin na ang pag-take ito. Kasi yun ang tatanungin, Dok, saan ba ito bawal? So, kailangan nyo lang mo itong ipagpaalam sa inyong attending doctor or endocrinologist kung pwede ba itong i-take ko, Doc, kasi supplement naman ito. Kung may clearance naman kayo, why not take it, no? It helps with mental health issues like stress or anxiety. Okay, ang stress or anxiety is always present in all of us. Kagustuhan natin magtrabaho, kumain para sa pamilya, maayos ang pamumuhay natin. Lagi tayo may form of stress. Pero more biochemically, scientifically, bakit ba nagkakaroon ng anxiety or depression? This came out especially after ng pandemic, during pandemic. Bumababa ang serotonin levels. serotonin is a neurotransmitter that is responsible for making the patients feel sane, happy, and normal level of mentation. Kumbaga, hindi masyadong malungkutin. So, ang mga gamot sa anxiety is called SSRI. No? SSRI, Selective Serotonin Reuptake Inhibitor. Ibig sabihin niyan, yung serotonin ayaw nating umalis sa system ng pasyente. Dahil pag bumaba ang serotonin level, dun lumalabas ang depression, anxiety. So how does maca help it? It can help retain serotonin also in the system of the patient. So kung may patient na may anxiety, kung kaya pa namang hindi uminom na anti-anxiety drugs or antidepressants, then maca can also help you. You can take this. Hindi nga ho ito nakaka-lose ng sleep Hindi ito yung parang nakaka-insomnia. So kahit gabi inumin. Kasi at times, bago matulog, maganda uminom para rin pag natulog tayo, well-rested. Yung isip, yung utak natin, hindi ko ano-anong iniisip, hindi tayo makakatulog. Any potential side effects or risks, medyo mababa ang side effect profile ng maca. But syempre, we need to also check before you take. Okay bang BP? Wala ka bang allergic reaction to any active ingredients of the product? Those things, hindi na ho natin makokontrol totally. Kahit nga ho sa isang paracetamol na gamot, may allergic naman na tao no? Hindi ho yan totally safe. So, aaralin lang natin at titingnan natin by taking it. But it is generally a safe supplement. But then again, as we always say in the battle of our supplements, consult your physician also before you take it. Yung inyong in-house, yung inyong attending or attending physician or doctor. No? Recommended dosage, 1 to 3 capsules. But my advice is to take 1 capsule muna once a day. And then you check muna, hindi ba nataas ang BP, wala bang allergic reaction. And then the efficacy or the therapeutic window of a supplement is not instant. It doesn't mean na uminom ako ng maca ngayon, Doc. Bukas ba, macho na ako, maganda na ba ang katawan ko, malaki na ba ang muscle ko, maganda na ba ang aking virility, maganda na ba ang aking libido, maganda ba ang aking sexual desire. Hindi po yun, no? Continuous intake for at least 8 weeks. So 1 to 2 months. 2 months. Kasi yun naman po talaga yun Matututunan muna ng katawan natin how to process the supplement. Ano yung effect nito sa erectile dysfunction? No? Kasi ang erectile dysfunction naman is yun lang, hindi na tumitigas yung ari ng lalaki. So ang erectile dysfunction is caused by so many factors. Pwedeng nagkaroon ng prostate cancer ang lalaking pasyente, nagkaroon ng benign prostatic hyperplasia or BPH. By virtue of lower testosterone, lumalaki ang prostate. If left untreated, bababa ang libido. Or another thing is psychological. Masyadong anxious, masyadong depressed yung pasyente. Paano ka naman gagadahan? Paano ka magkakaroon ng feeling of that sensation na meron kang desire, na magkakaroon ng erection, no? So, it is a multifactorial. And this is best diagnosed and treated, of course, by our trusted urologist, no? It starts with letter U. But since this can naturally increase the testosterone level, so definitely ED or erectile dysfunction can be aided by this supplement. I do take it before working out kasi it's better for me. So napansin ko, mas ganado ako mag-workout. mas may intensity. Marami kasi giniinom na pre-workout supplements, no? So sabi ko, if I have to talk about maca for everybody's information, I have to experience it first. So I'm taking it for almost a month na. I take 2 tablets once a day, with or without workout. Pero since I work out 6 days a week, so araw-araw lang, take, mas malakas ang feeling mo. I'm already 47. Napansin ko, after a while, when you take this, mas less yung chances na mabilis kang mapagod. Saka hindi ka nagpapalpitasyon. Hindi ka yung parang hyper na hyper, tapos magka-crash para kang uminom ng 3 basong kape, hyper ka for 1 to 3 hours, after nun, bagsak na yung pakiramdam mo. Yun yung different ng caffeine loading to stimulate you versus maca is slowly building up your endurance and your stamina and increasing your testosterone naturally. So far, yun yung aking masasabi regarding that. Saka, it's been used by so many people abroad, re-emphasizing its benefits for more of our royalistas and our future patients who will take it. By the way, this maca is from Korea already. Okay, it is not just made and processed in the Philippines. This is imported and manufactured in Korea. So our products are really getting better as Royal gets better, of course. So thank you for listening to my brief information regarding maca. Of course, hindi kulang pa ito sa inyo. For more information, I think it's best for you to click the link below in our Facebook, in our other social media sites for you to learn more about our wonderful products here in Royal.